The following question reads that what type of oxide is aluminum oxide? Now, aluminum oxide is an amphoteric oxide. It's one of the few oxides that are amphoteric. The other oxides, so Al2O3 is one amphoteric oxide. You have zinc oxide and lead oxide. So these are some of the amphoteric oxides. What does the term amphoteric? What is the meaning of the term amphoteric? Amphoteric means that they're capable of reacting with both acids and bases. So they can react with both. So that is the meaning of the term amphoteric, and with both they're going to produce salt and water. So I've shown you the equations for the reaction of Al2O3 with an acid, also with a base, and you must remember these equations because aluminum extraction is in the course, in the syllabus for O levels, and these equations come in those processes. So Al2O3 reacts with HCl, ends up producing salt, which is AlCl3, and a water molecule. Al2O3, on the other hand, can also react with bases or alkalis like NaOH, and they would end up producing salts and a water molecule. This salt, the name of the salt would be sodium aluminate. So what type of oxide is aluminum oxide? That is going to be amphoteric. B would be your answer.